back to the Davy Brown 990 Restoration channel. My name's Barry for those of you who are new here. We can get a few comments lately or questions about what have we done to the engine, what has it had done, what this various things we haven't recorded, and that was basically I didn't start the video diaries up until the engine was complete, the front axle was done, the rebuild on the engine was complete. They just needed putting back together, basically. So what I've done here, and I know there's a lot of people out there that don't like this. If you don't like montages of still images, turn off now. Save yourself the time. Because what follows is about 11-12 minutes of still images that I took in 2021 after I bought the tractor, stripping it down, getting it cleaned up, putting some components back in and starting to put it back together. There were still images that I took purely as an aid memoir for me. That's all. It wasn't intended ever to be anything else. But I thought it might help a lot of guys out there, or a lot of viewers, sorry, a lot of viewers out there to understand how we got to part one of the restoration video, where you see the engine mounted on the frame that I've made for it. It's all together and it's primed. It goes through what we've done so far, like stripping the steering down, replacing the kingpin bushes, new wheel bearings, all bits and pieces. As I say, it's 12 minutes of still images. If you're not into that, save yourself the time now. If you want to know how we got to part one, keep watching. Right, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, if you do, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. The channel has grown tremendously the last couple of days for some reason. We're getting stuck in with the axle. It got painted today, chocolate, paint turned up. So I've got its chocolate coat. It's hard enough in the garage there now. It'll be a couple of days to harden off. And then we will get the video finished of assembling the main frame engine to the main frame gearbox to the axle and the new legs for the back. So it's mobile. But as I say, if you like the videos, please give us a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, tell your mates. It helps the channel grow. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.
Thank you.